Sophia, where has the world gotten you into today? Sophia, isn't it about time you finished your payment? Hasn't the world already taken enough from you? La-da-dum-da-da. The world took your hopes and dreams and your parents and your frog too. Oh, Sophia, isn't it about enough? La-da-dum-da-da-da-da. Oh, Sophia, isn't it about enough? The world has got you in its power, but you can still fight back. Just go back to the beginning where the world started. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. You can do it, do it. You can do it. So Sophia went back to the beginning to meet Adam and Eve. God had just told them they could do anything but eat the apple, the apple, the apple, 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 apple. God said, hey Adam, hey Eve, you've got nice tits, but could you guys please cover up your bits with your hands, or a twig, or a pony, or at least a fig? Anything will do, anything will do. Oh no, not anything will do. Don't take the apple, don't use the apple, don't take the apple from the tree with the snake in it. And I also wouldn't use the snake to cover your bits, cause it might hurt and you might lose them. You might lose them and that would suck, cause you're gonna have to use them. To do what? To do what? Peace out, y'all. Respect is what God said before he left. And then he left. He flew off into the sky. Sophia stood up and then she backed down again, cause she was wearing clothes that might have been weird, so she took them off and then she used a leaf to cover her bits. Cause if this song ever gets turned into a clip and I'ma play Sophia, I'm not gonna be nude, no way dude. I'm not gonna be nude, no, 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 no. So Sophia stood up again and she said, hey Adam, hey Eve, how's it going? And Adam said, huh, I thought we were alone. And Sophia said, well, you got it wrong. I saw you from over there, Adam. I think you look real nice. Maybe we could make some beautiful babies here in this pretty paradise. And Adam blushed and Eve also got red, but not with shame, but with anger. Eve got mad and she grabbed the first thing that came at hands, which was an apple, and she threw it to Sophia's hand, who laughed cause she got what she wanted. Sophia laughed cause she got what she wanted. Then Eve realized what she'd done and she felt real dumb, but she was blonde, so she blamed it on that. And Sophia laughed. Sophia laughed. you.